Mayor, palagi po nating naririnig yung sinasabi ng DPWH na ang flood management sa NCR ay nasa MMDA. Sa nakikita niyo po sa Maynila po, sino po ba yung may mas malaking responsibilidad pagdating po sa flood management sa Kamaynilaan?
Pagkasabi mo sa DPWH, tigil-tigilan na nila kami ng kagagawa ng hindi kinukonsulta ang lokal na pamahalaan. Naging bad habit na that they think their national government, they can do whatever they want to do in the local government without even, to the point, telling, asking permission, explaining the purpose of the project. Yun ang talagang naging problema rito. Kaya nagsulputan yung multiple pumping station na hindi gumagana. Ngayon, for purposes of the elementary rule is that DPWH will build based on GAA o for other kung saan man funding yan. Then, after nila magawa, ibibigay nila sa MMDA. Yung sunog apog, ilang beses na nilang sinusubo sa MMDA. Ayaw tanggapin ng MMDA kasi nga hindi tumatakbo. And they want to build it again or rebuild it again and put money on it, still hindi tumatakbo. Kaya ang sagot ko, straightforward, yan DPWH, straightforward answer to Secretary Bonoan. Tumigil na po kayo ng kapagpapagawa nang hindi kayo nagkukonsulta sa lokal na pamahalaan, lalo na sa ilog. May local water code. May jurisdiction din kami sa tubig. While we recognize MMDA under existing law that the management, supervision of our creeks is under them, but when they start building facilities, vertical development, we must be informed as local government. Not only Manila, even in other local chief executive or LGU. Kasi hindi po titigil yung ganyang problema. And I think it's gonna happen again. It's going to happen again. In fact, it's happening right now that they wanted to fix things that they built so many times already. At saka wag niyo sasabihin sa amin ni Secretary Bonoan nung hinihingi namin yung management at sasagutin niya kami kung may pera ang local government. Go ahead. You know, that's a crazy answer eh. Huwag naman ganun ang sagutan. Yeah? Alam naman niyang walang pera ang lokal. That's not the right answer. The right answer, you ask permit when you build. You ask permission from the local government. Baligtarin ko naman ang sitwasyon. Ako pupunta sa bahay mo, hindi ako magpapaalam. What would you give? O yun ang amin. Kaya kami naman, we always coordinate. In fact, we coordinate with DPWH. Thanks to them, they help us in many ways. We coordinate with MMD. Thanks to them, we got assistance. But doing it on their own, talaga, hindi naman kami papayag na mag-ahasa ng mag-ahasa ang Maynila. At the end of the day, okay, bakit po idadagdag ko na, baka lang hindi nyo pa natatanong, yung masamang epekto ng baha. Did you know that today, this morning, overloaded ang aking emergency room? Because after the rain, ito na yung epekto ng leptospirosis. We have, in hospital ng Maynila, overloaded kami. Meron kaming 69 waiting of all cases, but most of the major cases is something to do with the flooding. infection, leptospirosis. So, tamang-tama yung epekto. Pag kinuwenta mo yung nangyari 2 weeks ago, ngayon umi-epekto na. So, the point is, when we will stop doing things unnecessarily without proper coordination and do it, itama natin yung mali so that we will cushion or minimize to damage to property and life about flooding.